Today, let's watch and break down how 2N Wood Carvings sculpts a fierce tiger using just two tools, a chainsaw and a grinder. With only these in hand, he's about to bring a wild beast to life in the most incredible way. With the raw block of wood, he begins sketching out the form. I can already see the head and the back, with a curve that looks so alive. With just a few cuts of the chainsaw, I can now see the front legs, the belly, and the hind legs. As you can see in the video, the tail is now starting to take shape. It's just the tail, really, but he carves it with such flexibility and lifelike motion. Can you guess what he's going out to carve next? Now he's sketching out the backside of the leopard. Let's watch together. Can you tell which part of the leopard this is? Let me know in the comments. Now I can see the back of the leopard, with its front legs stepping forward fiercely. The full stance is starting to emerge. Wow! With just 3 cuts, he's created a powerful pose for the leopard. The belly, the hind legs, and the front legs are all clearly visible now. What do you think of the video so far? Let me know below, and don't forget to hit like for 2N Wood Carvings. He's from Vietnam. And if you found this video interesting, help me reach the first 1,000 subscribers by hitting that subscribe button. Thank you. He's now fully shaping the leopard's body, and at this point, he's using the grinder to smooth the wood surface. Ha ha ha! Now comes the most important part, the one that decides whether this leopard's soul is fierce or not. Let's watch together. With just a few moves, he's already shaped both ears, the eyes, and the nose. Can you see how he's refining the curves, the muscles, and slimming down each part? Without real skill, it would be almost impossible to create these striking details. Now let's watch how he shapes the 2 legs and the belly. See how it all comes together. Asian artisans often use small hand tools, especially when working on miniature statues with very fine details. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to the channel to support me. Today, machines help us a lot, but in the past, all we had were chainsaws and chisels. We had to carve out each small piece of wood by hand to shape the figure. Is anyone here in the same craft as us, or are you just watching for fun? Let us know, and let's learn from each other. Can you all picture the shape of the leopard now? Wow! Ha ha! Now he's finished everything, and the belly looks so sleek and well-defined. If there were no machines, do you think you could use chisels to define and clear out those parts? Now he's going to sculpt the muscles on different parts of the body. Let's watch and see how it turns out. The muscles are really important. They help us see and decide whether the leopard's pose looks fierce and powerful or not. This is the paw and claw section. I'm really curious to see how he's going to carve them. Ha ha! He skipped the detailed work on the legs, and now he's moving on to the face. Let's watch together. Oh, wow. Now I see a leopard with its mouth wide open, like it's about to devour you alive. Now he's carving the eyes, and at the end of the video, he's going to attach a pair of eyes. So make sure to watch until the end to see the amazing result. He's already finished about 80% of the leopard. Now he's smoothing out the wood surface. Let's watch how he carves the claws. Those eyes look truly yearly fierce. What do you think? The piece is now complete. How do you feel about it? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. I'm really satisfied with this piece. It looks like it's just about to pounce on its prey. If anyone loves the artwork and wants to commission a piece from him, feel free to reach out. I'll leave his contact link in the comments below. Thank you all for watching and admiring his amazing work with me. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps motivate me to keep making more videos. Stay with me and let's watch how he carves a dragon next. It's sure to impress you.